Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class 4. Now we will start our fifth lesson, English. The first lesson we are going to learn is a poem. Don't be afraid of the dark. Okay, the name of the poem is Don't be afraid of the dark. Okay, and this poem is telling that don't be afraid. You should not be afraid of the dark. Dark means night. Dark means no sun. The dark will come when there is no sun. The day is there is sun, but in the dark we will not see. There is no sun. When we will look at the sky, there is no sun. We can see only the stars and moon. We cannot see the sun. Okay, then what are the specialities of dark? The dark first speciality, we will not see each other. Means there is no light. There is no sun. When there is sun, we will see each other. But the dark means there is no sun. Then there will be only darkness. Wherever we will look, we will see only the darkness. Then the most of the children are afraid of the dark. Means no light. We will not see each other. When we will put on the electricity, we will put on the light only, we will see each other. Then because of that, most of the children are afraid of the darkness. Means when there is nothing is there to see, they will cry. The most of the children will cry. Then this poem is saying to the children that don't be afraid of the darkness. Then what will happen in the darkness? What we will do in the dark time? Then what are the other things we can do in the darkness or in the night? Okay. Now let us see the poem. What is poem is telling about us? Okay, about the darkness. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. Okay. The poem is saying that don't be afraid. Okay, नहीं डरना है night के लिए और रात के लिए नहीं भी डरना है. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. Little one means small children, because the small children are afraid of the darkness. Most of the small children are afraid of the dark. And this poem is saying, don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. Okay, the poem is saying that why the night will come, because the sun is full day is working, full 12 hours the sun is working, means the sun is giving the light. When there is sun, we can see each other, then that we will call day. When there is sun, we will call day. Then when there is no sun, we will call that is night. Or when the night is night, we will not see each other, then we will see we are in the darkness. We are in the darkness. Then what is the poem saying? The poem is saying that the earth must rest when the day is done. Means when there is no light, when there is dark, means the sun is taking the rest, because the full day sun gives us the light. Then sometimes the sun has to take the rest. That is why the earth must rest, because the full day the sun is giving very heat. Then that is why the sun has to take the rest. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. Means the sun must be harsh. Harsh means very hard. Harsh means very hard. The sun is very hard, because the full day is working, giving the light. Then moonlight never, means the night, then there is no heat. Means night is very cold. Then moonlight. When the moon will come, the moon we can see only in the darkness. We will see in the sky the moon only in the night. Then moon is never harsh, never hard. But the sun is full day is, because of the heat, it is very harsh, very hard. and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Okay, in the night, the stars, when we will look at the sky, what we can see? We can see the stars. The stars and the moon we can see in the night. When there is no sun, we will not see the sun. When we will see the sun, we will when the day. The sun gives the light, then we can understand it is already day. It is a morning. Okay. Okay, students, the night, those stars, the stars will be shining forever and ever. We will see the in the sky at the night, the star is shining. Okay. Again, I will read these 4 lines. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Shining means brightening. Brightening. Shining means we can see the night. The sun, moons are brightening there. The sun is, the star is brightening there. Okay, the next line. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. And the poem is saying that because the children are afraid of the night, then the poem is saying that be friends with the night. Don't be afraid. Nahi darna hai. Don't be afraid. Be friend with the night. There is nothing to fear. Because there is nothing to fear. Nahi darna hai. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. Okay, what you have to think? You have to think. Thoughts means you have to think. Thought is past. Think, travel means just think about what you have to think about your friends far and near. The friends, those who are near to you and those who are far, very far means some other places. You have to think about your you have travel means you just think about those friends who are near and far. Here travel means not travel in the bus, traveling in the, just you think in the mind. You have to think, travel about in the mind that there are friends, the friends those who are near to me, near my houses, and those friends are very far. Just think about them. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. Okay, by day, then the daytime, it does seem that we have our own problem. We have something to do. All are working. The day we have every time we are working. The day we will not work. The daytime, all are busy. Troubles, problem, and won't cease. Never cease means. Won't means will not, would not cease. Cease means stop. Every time, the daytime we have problems. Something to do. Always something to do. We are at the work. We have problem. We will not think other people. Okay. When we have to think at the night about the friends, those who are far and near. But the daytime, no one will think. Everyone have their own duties, their own problem. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Means no one will work in the night. Means the night, late night means midnight. The world is at peace. Means all are sleeping. No one will. The night time, no one will go out. Everyone is in the house and sleep. No one will go out. But the daytime, we all are working, busy, going out, working. We have so many things to do. But in the night, late at the night, the world is at peace. Means world means all people is sleeping. Okay. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. Won't is short form means would not. Sorry, won't. The short form is will not. Okay, will not. Some short forms we will learn after this poem explaining. Okay, won't means will not. We will not stop. Okay, we will not stop. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Okay, the poem is written by Ruskin Bond. The one who writes this poem, his name is Ruskin Bond. Okay, students, everyone should read this poem. Only 8 lines are there. Please read this poem. Now, let us go to the next page. Page number 75. There are true or false. We will just do that, true or false, and word building. Okay, don't worry. I will give also in the WhatsApp. Okay. Are these sentences true or false? The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Okay. The poet is telling that to be afraid or don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Then this one is false. Okay, you can write false. Okay, next. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. Okay, the star is shining at the night. Okay, that is true. The poet tells the child to think of the friends after it is dark. Okay, the dark time you can think about your friends. That is true. Okay, you can write true. Okay, students, the next one is word building. Okay, here the word building we will learn some words together, how it came and how the meaning will change. Okay, here the first one is moon. You know what is the meaning of moon? Okay, you know the moon. That is one word. And another word is light. You know what is the meaning of light? Okay. Then these two words, when we will put add together, how will come moonlight? Okay, this word one can stay moon, it has its own meaning, and light, it has its own meaning. But together also it is together also it has one meaning. Moonlight. Okay, moon plus light, moonlight. Okay, then you can write this word together, moonlight. Then there are another word, good. Good, you know what is the meaning of good. Okay, plus night. Night is another word. Night means rath. Okay, then together, good night. Okay, again the new word, good night. Okay, you can say another word, good morning. Good is another word, morning is another word. Together, how it came? Good morning, a new word, good morning. Okay, like that. Here in this book, another word is water. Okay, water plus fool. Together, water, fool. Okay. Next word, break plus fast. Break plus fast. Together, breakfast. Okay. This one I will give in the WhatsApp. Don't worry. Okay. The notes I will give in the WhatsApp. Day plus break. Day is one word and break is another word. Together we can write day break. So one word. Okay. Together. Rain. You know what is the meaning of rain plus bow. Another word, bow. Together we will have another word, good word, nice word, rainbow. Okay. The next one is opposite word, ulta word, opposite word, war, peace. Okay, this one also I will send in the WhatsApp. Okay, students, the next page, 76, there are some short forms in English. How we will write the short forms, then what are the full forms of those words. Okay, look at these words in the poem. We see that in the poem, donned. Okay, then warned. Okay, we explained already. And what is the short form of donned? Do not. Okay, what is the full form? Do not. Then how we will write? Do, then n. Then this, what is this one we will call apostrophe. What we will call? Apostrophe and t. Okay, how we will write? Donned. don't, the meaning is, full form is, so meaning is do not. Okay, the next word, won't. W-O-N, then apostrophe and T. Okay, then the full form of this word is will not. Okay, will not. Now there are some words. Okay, students. Now this word just see. Didn't. You see? Didn't. Did. N. Then apostrophe and T. How we will write the full form? Did not. Okay. Then this one. Shouldn't. S-H-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T. The full form is should not. Next, wouldn't. Full form is would not. Couldn't, could not. Mustn't, must not. Okay, everyone should learn these short forms and full form and short form. Okay, students, these notes I will send in the WhatsApp. Please everyone read the poem. Okay, thank you.